Hush.
I have made a water rocket works on a simple principle in which a rocket works. I have taken some few materials which can be present inside our homes, like a plastic water bottle, a waste bicycle wall which I have fitted inside it by glue gun and sealed it. I have used this glue gun to seal the wall inside the cap, a pump and a half mug of water. After that, we will pour this water inside the bottle. Now we will close this bottle by the cap. This is the basic structure of our water rocket. After that we will give it 13 to 12 pumps in which it can generate an intense pressure inside it. To do this activity we have come out of our homes. Now we will give it a 20 to 25 pumps inside it to generate an intense pressure.
Hush.
So how this rocket launched? Thank you.